Welcome to the Database Oasis Creating a Display demo. This demonstration will show you how quick and easy it is to create a display in Database Oasis. We're going to design a simple display to create a record of household items that can be submitted to your insurance company. Data displays are simply forms or screens that contain your data. Database Oasis comes with a number of sample displays to get you started, but you'll probably want to create and customize your own displays to suit your needs. To create a new display, click Design a New Display from the navigation pane. This brings up the Display Properties screen where we can name our display and customize the appearance. We'll name this display Insurance Inventory and leave the default settings. We'll click Next to proceed to the Designer where we'll add our fields. All of the items you'll add to your display are available in the toolbox. Simply click on a tool and drag it to the display surface. We're going to create a field for the item, the cost of the item, the quantity in case we have more than one, the year in which the item was purchased, a checkbox to indicate whether the item is insured separately, and a notes field to contain a description of the item. Now before I add anything else, I want to fine-tune the placement of the fields on my page. I can use a combination of the alignment tools and drag and drop to quickly line up the edges of the objects on my display. You'll notice as I move objects, blue snap lines appear to let me know when things are aligned. I want to include a picture with the inventory, so I'm going to add a picture field, but first I need to make the display a little wider to accommodate the picture. I also want to include instructions with the photograph to make sure the item is photographed in its usual location in the home. I can use a label tool to quickly place text on the page. And I'm just going to center the photo in the label. Just to make things look nice, I'm going to put a line between the fields and the notes. The Logo tool lets you add any type of graphic to your display. The software comes with a selection of different line styles that you can use. And finally, I'm going to put a box around my fields. The buttons in the display will be used when you're not in the designer to work with your records. They're shown here so you can control the layout and appearance. I'm going to move them up under the fields and just make sure they're centered. And that's it. I'm done. I just need to save and close the designer. My new display now appears in the Open a Display list. We'll show you how to add records and work with this display in the Working with Displays demo. This concludes the Creating a Display demonstration.